My absolute favorite feature of Fundy Designer are the slideshows. They immediately start the waterworks. It gets people so emotional, so attached to the photos. They fall in love with everything and they have to have them all. And so I'll actually show the slideshow multiple times through an ordering appointment just to reinforce all their emotions and keep them excited about the value of everything that they're going to buy. The fact that with one software program, I'm able to take my clients through wall art, albums, press cards, and get their final order decided on all in one place has literally allowed us to take our business from a 6-figure business to a 7-figure business, and I could not live without it.